your goals. I'm gonna make a video and some training on that as well. But for now, if you go to school and if you go to the activity and process section and you go to data, you click this data tracker and instructions. I linked it to you as well. Then it'll show you how to use the tracker. Skip to about like minute 3, and you can use this tracker, make a copy, save it to your own drive. I kind of typed it in number for you based on your previous data. So your commission goal is 10K a month, right? And then average cash collection. I don't know if I saw that. Yeah, I don't know if I saw that. Your average cash collection. You want to calculate that too. And on the tracker, if you start typing the numbers, it'll show you average cash collection for sale. Well, this is the front end. It's not including recurrings, but it's better to set the goals that way because you hedge it. So, but let's say it's 5K. It's probably lower to be fair. Probably like 4K if I'm thinking about it. So based on that, and then commission percentage is 10%. Your current short rate is 41%. Your current close rate is 21%. Based on that, you would need about 120 sales calls taken per month, which is about 30 taken per week. It's not impossible because I was doing that. If your slot utilization is on point, then you can do it. Obviously, you don't have as many book calls right now, so what do we got to do? And in that case, we got to hit outbound, follow-ups, upsells, so on and so forth. So, but that's taken, right? So booked, in terms of booked, you need 290 per month, which is on a weekly basis about 72 to 73 per week booked, which is probably not possible. It's not realistic. So, but this is possible. So how do we do that? We just increase the activity. So let's go to the how. Okay. So how are we gonna do that? Okay, how are we gonna get this many opportunities? Either you have to. There's different options. You either increase this to about 65%, and then we get this to about 30%. In that case, this is more than fucking doable. It's like 30 booked per week. And how you can do that is doing your own outbound and upsells and so on and so forth. Okay, so this comes out to how many sales is that? It's 25 sales per month, which is about, let's just say on the safer side, about 6 to 7 sales per week. Let's say 7. Okay, so you need about 7 sales per week. And also, if you go to school, you'll also see no-show SOP, calendar maximization. Go to this when you get a no-show. This is for when you get a no-show or when you get a also empty calendar, space from calendar. Go to this video, and in the SOP, you'll see it. And what are some good leads to hunt for? It's not always like this, but it's the typical go-to ones from top to bottom. So yeah, man, go through that. But yeah, understand your metrics and the actions you need to do. So you said by what time you're going to do, I think it's something like 6 p.m. or something that you're going to do, hit the no-sale list, so on and so forth. So yeah, on your calendar, you got to know, there you go, 6 p.m. every night. So you have scheduled activity, so you have planned scheduled activity, you have unplanned scheduled activity, meaning that planned scheduled activity is this. You plan for 6 p.m. every night to do follow-ups. Unplanned is whenever you get a no-show or an empty space in your calendar, you follow this. Okay? So let me know if that makes sense, helps you get a better idea, but you want to know, okay, exact numbers to the T. When am I going to do it? Why, where, when, how? And if you get any questions, let me know, because I want to help you get to 10K.